Breaking news. If you like what you see and if you're in a good mood today, then why not subscribe to my channel and follow my adventures. Thanks, and don't forget, you're awesome. Enjoy the video.
Hello beautiful and awesome people. I'm so grateful and happy to be able to tell those opening lines after so many weeks being away from the camera. Anyways, I have officially graduated from Lund University, people. From now on, ladies and gentlemen, and especially ladies, you can call me Master. Anyways, today it's not a typical vlog, it's actually just a bonus content, pretty long bonus content to be honest, and it's all about the graduation day that we had last week and the graduation speech that I gave together with my amazingly stunning, beautiful and awesome and intelligent classmate Eileen in front of everybody. I just spit in front of my camera. Anyways, it was a huge honor and honestly a huge responsibility. I was very stressed. I had those butterflies in my stomach the whole time, and there were two reasons for this. The first reason was that it is a very responsible thing. I mean, it's not just giving a speech in front of like a bunch of kids while you're like working in an animation team or something. And the second reason why it was stressful for me was it was scripted. So basically we had to write a script and we had to follow it to some extent. And as you probably also know, I'm a very improvisation kind of guy. When I speak in front of people, I kind of connect the dots and I just create the content myself straight away. I managed somehow. To some extent, I followed the script, but then again, I also improvised. Sorry for that, but you know me. Enjoy my graduation speech. At the end, I'm going to tell you about my final vlog about Sweden. Enjoy.
Are you nervous? No. No, I'm nervous actually. I'm nervous actually a bit.
It's Eileen, Nguyen, and Slav.
Okay, Slav, just relax, man. It's fine. You have performed in front of people so many times. Shit, there's so many people in this room. Oh, and by the way, I'm so hungry. Will it be chicken or fish? No. Don't you dare think about food right now, Slav, okay? Focus. I'm shaking this guy's hand, but I don't even look him in the eyes. Where's your speech partner, Slav? Find her, please. There she is, looking good and calm as proper German. It will all be fine, Slav. Count to 3 and you will rock. 1, 2, 3.
Oh. It's a bit too small. Good afternoon, everyone. On behalf of the International Marketing and Brand Management class of 2018, we would like to welcome all the faculty, the friends and families who welcome. And I really do hope that you don't mind this little video that I made of all of you. It's for my YouTube vlog. But don't worry, no Photoshop needed because you're all so beautiful and gorgeous. So absolutely no editing will happen afterwards, I promise. And just before I continue and give a speech to my amazingly stunning Eileen, honestly clap for her because she's awesome. Before I was coming here, I was thinking of actually saying how good my outfit is compared to 8 years ago, when it was shockingly bad and shockingly ridiculous with this loose suit. But then I saw all the guys with suits, so I was wrong again. But now let's get serious, and I just give the opportunity to Aline.
Welcome from my side. Good afternoon, everyone, as well. Dear classmates, we made it. We really, really made it. So after so many sleepless nights, due to studying, of course, and also partying, but nevertheless, we made it. Each of us should be really extremely proud of this great achievement. We can all agree that this moment is a little bit nostalgic as well, because an incredible chapter in life actually ends for us here. But let's briefly go back in time and see some of the most memorable moments we have been through. So last year in summer, back in August 2017, we all came from around the world, from such a diverse background, to this small city in Lund in Sweden. How random is that? I just remember the first icebreaker. Let's introduce each other post on Facebook. Or should I rather say, this is my CV, I'm the better marketer here now. But after reading all the 55 comments, the other half didn't want to express their greatness. But I have to admit, I was very impressed by everyone's background and so far achievement. Keep it up, guys. I also do believe that we all came here doing this course for the right reasons, right?
Yeah, I mean, of course, I can completely reassure you that none of us guys came here for the only reason of 90 absolutely beautiful and intelligent women. That was not the reason, trust me on that. We have a girlfriend, so we never actually asked anything about us, so don't worry at all. But now to get serious, actually, why we came here? We came here, first of all, because of the great university that Lund is, and the great opportunity that it has provided us with. And I just think that these unique master's degrees that we have gave us a unique opportunity to work with exceptional professors and companies that were more than willing to spend their time and actually help us go through these tough months and depressing winter as well. So I really do think that we made the right choice, guys, and for the right reasons. For the right reasons, we made the right choice coming here. I think, right?
Yeah,
definitely.
So after arriving at Luzern in August, my first thought was like, okay, the weather's actually not so bad. We soon discovered Luma Beach, hiking places, fika places, and most importantly, the academic order. That was so amazing, right?
Yeah.
For us, for me at least.
That's true, but we also discovered the winters and how depressing they are. Don't you remember that at all? I mean,
yeah, but we keep it positive at first.
Okay.
So step by step. So as I was saying at the beginning, it was an amazing first month, also called the honeymoon month by so many people here at the faculty. I wasn't quite sure why we would call it like this, but later it became clear. There are an abundance of words, phrases, expressions, which can be used to highlight the events, the trials, the feelings we had at the beginning. For example, let's have some fika. Are you track 1 or track 2? I'm track 2.
Track 1 here, yo.
Track 2 is better. Did you find a place to live yet? Because I'm still searching. And are you single?
Okay, wait. So this last call, do you refer to us guys asking the girls about this, are you single? No, let me tell you how it happened. So we had the same discussions. I mean, do you want to go to fika? Are you track 1 and track 2? And then this happened. Oh, by the way, I have a boyfriend. And he's so nice with me, so that's actually what happened. But it was still great, so yeah, definitely.
Really for you, Slav, right? Because you're still searching.
Yeah, it is.
Anyways, as you were saying, impatiently, winter was coming. It hit us hard. Many of us wanted to give up, throw in the towel, and instead just hit the sauna. Honestly, that would have been probably the easiest choice. But finding solace in each other, we stuck with it through thick and thin. And as if minus degrees weren't even hard enough, the university extended our coursework load to a third course to take. Thank you. It's very smart because I mean, if the weather is bad outside, so why not stay at home and study more, right?
Okay, but you just told me to be positive, so I'll be positive. Look at the bright side. During these depressing months, coffee and alcohol manufacturers were so happy because their product sales went so up. And also, I mean, you know, riding home with a bike while you're so wasted and drunk, that's a skill that we all learned. Okay, well, not all of us learned it. There were some accidents, but hey, that's life, guys, and we are learning from it, so keep going, you know. That's positive for sure.
Yeah, you're right. But the most important thing is that we overcome this hard challenge as well and grew as a big, big family in this master journey. And also, even the master thesis time came, and it was not easy, but without our thesis partners, I think we would not just have reached the half of the finish line. So thank you guys for that as well.
And absolutely, I mean, master thesis partners and Netflix series, of course. I mean, what a great combination, at least for me. So thanks Netflix and Gossip Girl, of course. Thanks for that. But now, before we close this chapter, we get a bit more serious. Finally, try. And on behalf of the graduating IMBM class of 2018, we would like to thank a few people, actually many people. We have only 10 minutes in total, but we'll try to cover everyone. So first, we would really like to thank, honestly, from the bottom of our hearts, I think we speak on behalf of everyone, we would like to thank the Lund University, the professors, for your complete dedication. Honestly, guys, you're stars. And also, the faculty. Let's not forget the people who are in the back office. I mean, we have the LUCEM administration team who is there for us at every single second, so applause for them as well, please. And of course, the Lund Economena, which actually introduces to everything, organized everything for us, so thank you as well. Thanks a lot. Really like to thank right here and now to our class representatives who actually represented us and our interests throughout the whole year. Many people maybe often forget about them, but they really try to do their best. So I will name their names, so their parents and friends are really proud with them. So Sarah, Anne-Marie, I don't know where you are, Rachel and Joanna, thank you very much.
For not only celebrating this day with us, but also for the constant, overwhelming love, guidance, and support over the course of this master program. And most of all, we would like to thank all of you graduates, because together we fought the Swedish winter, we have battled so many countless deadlines, and we conquered this master's degree today. And I believe that we have created so many great friendships, and I really hope that this will last for the rest of our lives as well.
Oh, this was really beautiful. Applause for that. The end, and actually getting a bit emotional because it's the end, it's the last speech. So I think it's the time that we want to address all of our classmates. But I actually crossed classmates and I wrote friends, so I will read the sentence, and I really want to address all of my friends and all of her friends. We want to address you. Yeah, I mean, I just want to say, don't forget to stay who you are, people. And honestly, follow your passion. Nowadays, people get lost quite often, but we are the future leaders, and we need to follow our passion until the very end. And never, ever, please, never, ever follow somebody else's steps, unless you're lost in the woods. You need to find your way back home. That's the only way and time when you have to follow somebody else's step. Be yourself and follow your dreams.
And once we leave this door over there, we can actually raise our heads high. But as we take these next steps, we have to make sure that we become the future modern leaders. To not accept the ordinary and relent, but to be unique instead. To be phenomenal, or otherwise we would be forgotten. To think out of the box, to test our own mind and provoke others to think in a different way.
And unfortunately, currently there's so many bad and unfair things happening in this world right now in this very second while we're having a great time. So we really believe that all those brilliant minds right here, we can make the change, people, and we need to make the change to actually show the path to the future generation, the future young leaders, because so much needs to be done to have a better place to live. So let's do that, okay? We agree? Please.
We cannot promise that it will be easy because I think the future won't be easy at all. But we have to keep pushing and keep pursuing our dreams. And you guys as business students know competition runs through our veins. But remember Hemingway's quote, "There's nothing noble in being superior to your fellow man. True nobility lies in being superior to your former self." So with that said, gratis and congratulations, I am the Masters of Disaster Creativity.
Well, people, if you're still here after those 10 minutes of my speech, thanks for watching. First of all, in the next couple of days I'm going to share with the final Swedish vlog. I just want to speak about my experience in Sweden, what I liked, what I didn't like. This might help some people who are planning to go to Sweden as well. And I just want to make like a short movie at the end, which just gathers up every single of my memories with those amazingly stunning, young, talented people that I met. But this comes in a few days, so now relax a bit, stay tuned for the last vlog. Bye. You're awesome, don't forget that, ever.